SealXtra PS-PG, a high-performance pouring-grade polysulfide sealant for durable horizontal joint sealing. Its self-leveling, flexible formulation offers strong adhesion and excellent chemical resistance, making it ideal for industrial floors, runways, water facilities, and parking structures. Tools and materials: wire brush, scraper, grinder, blower, small brush, gloves, goggles, protective clothing, slow speed, drill with paddle, spatula, SealXtra backer rod, trowel, aluminum strip, container, SealXtra PS-PG, SealXtra primer, ResiGuard primer, SFA and B, Recon ME, and detergent water. Surface preparation 1. For joints aligned and damaged. If the joints are aligned and undamaged, ensure the sides are clean and provide an adequate mechanical key. Grind the edges with a grinder to ensure a clean joint. Clean thoroughly with a brush and blower. A clean, sound joint ensures effective sealant performance and movement. 2. For joint misaligned and damaged. If the joints are misaligned or damaged, they must be reprofiled. Clean the joint thoroughly using a blower to remove all debris. Damaged edges will not provide adequate adhesion. Mix ResiGuard, Primer SF, Part A and Part B, using a slow-speed drill with a paddle. Apply the primer to the joint sides to improve bonding. Place an aluminum strip to maintain the required width and depth. Mix Recon ME, base plus hardener, thoroughly using a slow-speed drill with paddle, and then add the filler and mix well, ensuring material from the container sides is fully incorporated. Apply the epoxy mortar, filling and compacting evenly to level both sides. Remove the aluminum strip once the initial set is achieved. SealXtra backer rod installation. Insert SealXtra backer rod into all movement joints to prevent three-sided adhesion. The backer rod diameter should be 20% larger, but not more than 33% of the joint width. Follow the recommended joint proportion, 2:1 width to depth ratio for movement joints, and 1:1 for trafficable joints. SealXtra primer application. SealXtra primer, a single component. Primer enhances the adhesion between the sealant and the concrete, contributing to improved bonding strength and long-term durability. Apply a thin, uniform coat and avoid puddling or excessive primer application. Ensure the joint surfaces are completely dry before priming. Mixing the material. SealXtra PS-PG. The two components of SealXtra PS are supplied in the correct mixing proportions. Transfer the entire content of Part B into Part A and mix thoroughly for at least 5 minutes. Ensure that the material at the bottom of the container is properly blended, as inadequate mixing can adversely affect curing. The black hardener paste must be fully and uniformly incorporated into the off-white base to achieve a consistent mixture. Application of SealXtra PS-PG. SealXtra SPG sealant can be applied by carefully pouring the mixed material into the joint using a paper cup, mug, or any suitable pouring container. Ensure the material flows smoothly into the joint without trapping air pockets. Pour in a continuous, steady motion to achieve uniform filling and proper joint coverage. Final finish. Finish the sealant using a rounded tool or trowel dipped in a mild detergent solution to achieve a smooth hourglass profile. Ensure the sealant bonds to both joint sides and does not adhere to the base to avoid three-point contact. SealXtra PS offers a movement capability of plus or minus 25%. And delivers long-term, reliable protection for expansion, construction, and isolation joints. CONMIX #1 products.